All right, so here's what we're going to do in this quick video. We are going to create and use an AI avatar to create a talking head video in the bottom of a screen recording. So we'll just jump right into it. We're going to use a tool called Jogg.ai, Jogg.ai, and yeah, I've been playing with it. It's pretty cool, and we'll just jump right in. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to the avatars. Then I'm going to go to video avatar. You can see I've been playing with this a bunch. We're going to go ahead and use this one to create our talking head video. So I'll
Welcome
click
to the
into that.
future.
And now I'm going to go over to the edit script, and I'm going to grab my script and paste it in here. And go ahead and click generate, and then I will modify it after. And I'll click apply, and now I'll come up here and I'll paste in my script again. All right, so then we're going to come here and we'll add our 1.5 seconds. All right, cool. Now it's working. So this script with the times are, this was generated from the video I recorded for the tutorial. And it's in CapCut, and I used the AI transcribe to get this, so I can then put in the timestamps, and hopefully it matches up pretty well with what's in CapCut from the video I already recorded. So this is, what was that? Shoot, 6.7. All right, cool. So now that's done, I'm going to go ahead and click generate. And we're going to go, we'll go 16 by 9, and then we will crop it in CapCut. So I'm going to go ahead and click render. All right, so now that's going to render for a few minutes, and I will come back. Actually, while that's rendering, I'm going to go ahead and jump over to CapCut and start getting things set up there. All right, we're about 80%. Let's just jump into CapCut and we'll start getting things set up on this side. So I'm going to drop my video in here, and I'm going to drag it down to the timeline and let that run for a minute. All right, make the track height taller, and let's just check our video. All right, cool. Our video is done. I'm going to go ahead and download it. All right, now we could get rid of that, and we'll come back to CapCut, and we're going to go ahead and drop this onto, oops, bring this into CapCut, and there is our video, our AI video.
Do you want to blur a specific part of your video in CapCut like here? Here's how to do it. First, drag your video into the editor and...
All right, so we'll go ahead and drop that on the timeline and see if we match up pretty well or not. We're a little bit longer than the original video. Let's see how bad it is if we just speed it up a little bit. And all right.
Do you want to blur a specific part of your video in CapCut like here? Here's how to do it. First, drag your video into the editor and click on it. Then, go to the effects section and search for the blur effect.
Okay, cool. That sounds pretty all right. So now we are going to add another layer to our timeline. And it will be this one. And we're going to just stretch that out for the timeline, and you'll see why we did that in a minute. So now in the video here, we're going to go ahead and add a mask, and that's going to be a circle mask. And we'll just go up to the video like this. All right, that looks pretty good. I'm going to copy attributes from that, and I'm going to come into my black layer, and I'm going to paste the attributes. And I don't need the audio, I just need the mask. Oops, I want to look at, yeah, just grab all those. All right, cool. So now what I'm going to do is on my black layer, I am going to feather the mask a little bit and move it. Oops. And we're going to just lock that one a minute, and then we'll move our shadow just slightly, and I think the feather is a little bit too big. Cool. All right, so that works. Now we are going to unlock that, and we're going to make a compound clip. And we'll come in here.
Shapes or create a custom one. I'm selecting the circle shape and then I'll adjust it to fit the area.
All right.
Let's see how it looks. Let's see how it looks.
There's a weird little glitch there, and we'll edit that out. All right, so now I'm going to grab my clip, and I'm going to move it down here, and I think I will shrink it down a little bit as well. And maybe a little bit bigger. All right, so now let's go into our compound clip, and let's see if we can find that weird little blip.
Let's see how it looks. Let's see how it looks. How it looks.
All right, so we'll just come here, and we will, let's make the track a little bit bigger, and let's add a keyframe.
So how it looks.
All right, cool. So let's go back to our main timeline. And let's give it a quick little play.
I'll adjust it to fit the area I want to blur. Scroll down to the mask options and adjust the feather setting to make the blur look more natural. Let's see how it looks. Do you want to blur a specific part of your video in CapCut like here? Here's how to do it. First, drag your video into the editor and click on it. Then, go to the effects section and search for the blur effect. Then, go to the effects section and search for the blur effect. We are particularly looking for this blur effect.
It looks like I said that one a couple of times, so let's see if we can edit that out. I'm going to split out the audio here. Extract audio. All right, now we'll find the then.
Then go to the effects section and search for the blur effect. We are particularly Then go to the effects section and search for the blur effect. We are particularly looking for this blur effect. Drag and drop it on.
All right, it's going to be a little bit of a funky edit there because I said it twice, but anyway, I think I think it'll be all right because I'm pretty small on the screen. All right, so let's just give it a quick play. All right, I think we are in pretty good shape there. So the next thing to do is to export the video. So I'll go ahead and do that. And I will just pick where it's going to go. Okay, that'll work. And I don't want a watermark. Let's do the 4K, MP3. Okay, that all looks pretty good. And I will click export. All right, that'll render in the background. I hope you found this helpful, and yeah, see you in the next one.